Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you? Good evening, guys. Am I audible to you? Yes, guys. Before moving to today's session, yesterday I have given one assignment, right? Yesterday I have given one assignment for you guys. Class G. Please tell me the output for Class G, guys. Yes, guys. I got answers from you. All are saying that 7 and 4. For A, it is 7. For B, it is 4, right? Let's track this code. How it came, okay? Let me take this code. Let's see. This is my code, right? Let's track this individually. How the code is came, how it is going, how we are getting 7 and 4, okay? Let's solve for A first, okay? What is the A value first, guys? 1, right? First A contains 1. Let's come to this line. What is this, guys? Is it post increment or pre increment? Yes, pardon, guys. Is it post increment or pre increment? Post increment. So we need to use the value first and then we need to increment it. So first I am writing 1 plus and then what is this? Pre increment, right? Pre increment means increment the value and then use in first iteration, first section. 1 became 2. After 2, now I am using pre-increment, right? So increment a value and then use it. 2 becomes 3, 1 plus 3. And again plus. One more time, post increment. Post increment means use then increment 3. Now my A contains 4. What is the sum of 1 plus 3 plus 3? It is 7, right? Sorry guys. But actually my A contains 4. But I am assigning this 7 to A. So now my A becomes from 4 to 7. So the output is 7. The output is 7 guys. Let's track the same for B also. Let's track same for B, okay? In B, what presently contains B equal to 0. In first, I'm using post increment 0 and it became 1. Do addition and pre increment means increment the value and then use. Became 2 and post decrement that means use the same value, decrease it by 1. What is the answer? It is 4. I'm again storing it in B only. So my B contains 4. Do you need to execute it, guys? Do you want to execution? Do you want execution, guys? All right. Okay. Thank you. Let's move to today's topic. Okay. Yeah. Before moving to further topic related to binary operators, see guys. Before moving to further binary operators, let me tell you what is a scanner class. Okay. Scanner class. It is a predefined class in Java, guys. This class is predefined. This class is defined by the Java developers. Okay. This class itself there is available in your JRE. Okay. It is available in your JRE. What is the use of this class? Scanner is a class in which we have some default non-static methods. Okay. Just keep it in mind, guys. There are non-static methods. You don't know about non-static, but don't worry. Keep it in mind. There are some non-static methods. Okay. Non-static methods which are used to take input from the user at the runtime. What it means, whenever we are writing a program, we are initializing the values here. See, sorry guys, my throat is not proper now. Whenever we are writing a program, we are initializing the values dynamically, right? Statically. See here, I'm initializing a value and b value fixed. How many times I run this program? A value will become 35, b value is 5, right? Whenever there is a program, I'm initializing values. How many times I run it? A value won't change and B value won't change, right? But In real life, I need to give, let's assume, suppose I am writing a calculator software. I am performing addition operator, okay? Whenever I am writing a program, I will give variable inputs, right? Maybe I will give 1 and 2 at one time, first time, 3 and 4 second time. How many times I run my program, that many times my input will be changed, right? So, for taking input from user, my class name is scanner test, guys. Just observe my points, guys, what I am writing. I will explain you clearly. Scanner is a predefined class in JRE. You know, in data types, every class is a data type, right? Every class itself is a data type. Here, scanner is a class. It is working as a data type. My S is a variable. It is a variable. Which type of variable it is? Scanner type variable. Here, S is a scanner type variable, guys. And for that, I am creating one object. Sir, you may ask, sir, what is object? And yes, guys. You guys know that we will call methods. Suppose M1 is a method. If it is a static method, I will type it, okay? How to call this method, guys? As it is a static method, we use class name for calling, okay? As it is static method, we use class name for calling, okay? Class name is A. In my class A, there is a M1 method. How to call this method? By using class name, right? A dot M1. We call methods by using class reference when it is a static, okay? Static means you guys know in data types methods. It is explained clearly in data types and methods. I can't explain you one more time. I can't waste your time. What is static, what is non-static? These are all explained in methods and data types. While teaching data types, these all are discussed, guys. Okay. For static method, we use class name to call that method. Let's assume my method is a non-static method. At that time, how to call it? See, guys, see properly. There is a one more method called public void m2. If we didn't write any static keyword, then it will automatically become non-static. Whenever we write static only, at the time it will become static. For static, we can use class names for calling. For non-static, if we don't write that static keyword, it will become non-static. For calling non-static methods or for calling non-static variables, we need to write object. Create an object, right? A equal to new A. This is called object creation, guys. Whenever we write this line, an object is created. An object is created, guys. Whenever we write new and class name, open parenthesis and close parenthesis, it will create a object guys, and we need to store that object address. Where we store, you guys all know, in non-primitive data types. Every class name is a data type. How many types of non-primitive data types are there? Four types, right? So if whenever we write in this statement, it will create an object and storing that address in a variable. So is it mandatory to write a only? Means it is not mandatory. Whatever you want, you can write. You can take reference, whatever variable you want, you can take guys. See, clear? What is non-static method? How to call it? Clear about this? I will explain one more time guys while writing program. See, scanner is a class. I am creating one object. See here. In open parenthesis and close parenthesis, inside this parenthesis, I am writing system.in. This indicates that take the values from the user, from the system. That means where we are executing our program in console, right? In console, we are executing our program. Am I correct, guys? In console, we are executing our program. So this system.in, right? I will write that same code. Okay. Scanner s equal to new scanner. This is my line, guys. Here, system.in indicates that from the console, take the input values. Okay. It will indicate that take the input from console. Okay. It will take input from console. As I said, how to call non-static methods using object reference. Here my object is yes, right? Clear? New is a keyword, guys. New is a keyword. Scanner is a class. S is a variable. And let me explain you guys. In this, these are the methods present in scanner class, guys. You can check here. Sir, what are the default methods means? Next method, next line method. These are the predefined method, guys, which are available in scanner class. By using scanner class reference, we can call these methods, guys. These all are non-static methods. By creating one object for scanner class, I'm storing it in as new scanner. By creating an object, we can call all these methods, guys. Okay. These all are the methods, guys. Next method. Next method means it will take string input. I will explain you clearly, guys, while writing a program. Before writing this program, we need to import it, guys, because before the class, you write class name, you need to import that, guys. Import java dot util dot scanner. This means I am importing that class, guys. This class is not in our package, right? It is in another package somewhere in JRE. So I am bringing that class to my current class. I'm importing my current class scanner class to my current class because this class is present somewhere else in JRE. Okay, that's why I am importing it. Importing means I am bringing that class into my current class. Okay, every time you write scanner object, you need to import this guys. Otherwise, directly import star. It means star indicates that import all the classes. It will import whatever the classes present in util package. It will import all guys. Okay. If you want to write scanner, it will import only scanner class. If you write star, it will import all the classes present in the JRE. Okay. Okay. I'm importing all the classes. And let me save my file. What is my class name? Scanner test. Okay. Here I'm creating object. My reference is yes. Okay. As I said, there is a non-static method in scanner class to get string input from the user. String s1 equal to. Now I want to take the string value from the user. Okay. I will take string type from the user and I will print it. I won't give any value here guys. While executing my program, I will take the input. That means I will take my string value, which string I want. I will provide at the runtime. Okay. How to call non-static method? Object reference dot method name. Next, see. Next is a method which will take string input. Okay. See guys. Now my string input is taken. I will print that string. Okay. See. Let me execute this program. Java C. See guys, here it is not printing. Cursor is blinking. Are you observing guys? Here my cursor is blinking. It means it is waiting for the user. It is asking user enter a string. Okay. I'll enter something high. See guys, it is printing whatever I typed. Okay. So whenever cursor is waiting, we don't know that it is asking which type of input, right? So for our understanding, I will write one statement here. Is there any doubt in this line, guys? I'm printing one line showing that enter a string. So by seeing this, user can understand. So it is asking a string type. I need to enter a string. Okay. And here I will concatenate with something. Okay. Did you guys practice it? Whenever there is two operators, for left operator, if it is a number and right operator is also a number, plus operator will perform addition. If both the operands left and right are strings, it will perform concatenation, right? It will perform concatenation. So in this line, it is printing that enter a string. It means it is asking user to enter a string. In this line, that string is stored into S1 and line number line, I'm printing it. Let me compile it again. I'm running my program. See here. It is asking for enter a string. See guys, observe. Please clearly. After printing enter a string, my cursor is waiting, right? Here see. You see means cursor is waiting. I will enter good evening. See, enter string is good, but evening is missed. Clearly observe means I have written good space evening, but it is taking only good value. Why means I will explain you clearly guys. Please observe clearly. Whenever I have entered a string in console, this is one word guys. It is only single word, but good space evening is two words guys. The next method will take only one word from the input guys. Next method, we have next method, right? This method will take only one word guys. Here we have two words. It will take only one word. Okay. Sir, how to get all the words in a line? How to get total sentence means I need to write it. I need to call my method as next line guys. Next line is another method present in scanner class. It will take whole line as the input. Next method will take single word as the input. Next line method will take whole string as the input. Okay. See, string s2 equal to s dot next line. Here I am calling s dot next line method guys. Here again I will print. Any doubts in this guys? Here first I am printing enter a string. I am taking only one word. I am calling next method here guys. It will take only one word. Again after taking I am asking user to enter a sentence. Again I am asking enter a sentence. After entering I am taking that next line method. As I said, next line method will take sentence as input guys. We will take string word input. Let's see is it correct or not. I'm compiling my program. Sorry, I forgotten to write semicolon. See guys, whenever there is error, it is clearly showing semicolon expected, but it is showing where also. Here you are missing semicolon. Yeah, my compilation is done successful. After compilation, I'm executing my program. See, it is asking guys enter a string. Okay, I will enter Hi. Then, wait guys. Sorry. Think my console is not working properly. Let me write individually, okay? I will delete this because my console is not working properly. I am deleting this. I will take directly next line method, okay? Enter a sentence I will ask. I will execute. See guys, it is asking for enter a sentence, okay? Good evening all. See, I am separating each word with space guys. See, this is a sentence. Hit enter. See guys, entered sentence is good evening all. It is taking all the words in a string guys, right? See guys, same previous code, okay? I will take next method and next line method again. See guys, I will take next method and next line method in a single program. Compilation done, execution done, interesting done. Why it is taking two times? Let me take CMD guys. I will go to the directory. CMD, okay? Give me a minute guys. I think my console is not working properly. It is taking enter two times, okay? Think in my program it is taking enter two times guys, but it will give you all the values, okay? And like this we have some other methods guys. Please observe clearly. I will tell you all the methods guys. Wait, I will tell you again all the methods. Before writing in a program, let's understand what method will give which type of input, which method will take which type of input, okay? See guys, next method will take string word input, okay? Screen is not clear means please increase your quality guys. Please try to watch in 720p minimum. It will give you clarity, okay? Try to watch in 720p or 1080 guys. It will give you clarity, okay? Here, next method. Next method will take string word input. Will take only one word, okay? Next line method will take one sentence. Next line method will take one sentence. Like this to take integer value from the input. To take integer value from the input, we have a method called nextInt, guys. NextInt method will take integer value as the input, guys. It will take integer value. Next byte method also take byte type. Byte type, you know, right? For byte data type, how many bytes of memory is allocated and range of byte, right? It also take integer type only. For short also, it will allow short type values. For long, we have a method called nextLong. NextLong method will take long type value, something called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, 9. NextLong method will take input from user as long type. Okay. Next, float method, guys. For taking float as the input, we have float method. Next, float. For all the data types except character and boolean. Okay. Except character and boolean, we have, for all data types, we have one method, guys. We have a method with next to take string input. We have a method called nextLine to take string line input. We have a method called nextInt to take integer as the input. Byte to take next byte to take byte as the input. Clear? Any doubts in this? Please tell me, guys. If there is any doubts in this, I will repeat once again. Any doubts regarding these methods, guys? Any doubts regarding these methods? Here the name itself says, guys, int means integer type, byte means byte type, float means float type, double means double type. Okay, you guys are clear, right? How to use scanner class, how to take values from user input. Okay, from now onwards, I will take input from the user. I will enter input at the runtime. Okay, yeah, I will explain this program. I will use scanner class from now onwards. In every class I have written, I will write from now. I will use scanner object only, scanner methods. So at that time, you will able to understand. Okay. In coming programs, I use all these methods, guys. For each and every program, I use these values. You will get a clear idea in future programs. Okay. Move on to other operators, guys. In binary operators, there is a operators called relational operators. Okay. Relational operators, guys. Another type is relational operators. Yesterday we completed arithmetic operators and unary operators also completed, right? Unary are completed and arithmetic is completed. In arithmetic, we have done with concatenation also. How to concatenate also we have learned, right? Now let's move on to further topics. In binary operators, there is a topic called relational operators, guys. What is mean by binary operators, guys? Binary means the operand will work with two inputs. For performing an action, we need two inputs, right? Input 1, input 2, which are working with two inputs. The operator which will accept two operands is called as binary operator, right? In binary operators, relational operator is also a type of binary operators, guys. It is a type of binary operator. What is mean by relation, guys? What is mean by relation? It will compare two operands, right? Let me explain you. I have value 10 here and I have value 20 here. I will compare both these guys. I will compare between these two operands. This comparison is called relation. Okay. Comparing between these two is called as relation, guys. If I kept less than symbol, it is a comparison operators, guys. This is called less than operator, right? You all guys know clear about less than, greater than, less than equal to, greater than equal to. Clear? Here I am doing that. I am comparing this 10 with 20. Is 10 is less than 20? Tell me the output, guys. Is 10 is less than 20? Is 10 is less than 20, guys? Yes. If it is true, if it is less than 20 means it will return true. Okay. If I write same as 10 greater than 20, is 10 is greater than 20, guys? Is 10 is greater than 20? No, right? It is not greater than 10, 20. So 10 is smaller than 20. So it will return false. Same as 10 less than or equal to 20. Is 10 less than 20 or equal to 20? If it is less than also, it will give true. If it is equal to also, it will give true, guys. Yes, my 10 is less than 20. It will give true. If I write 10 less than or equal to 10. 10 less than equal to 10, guys. My 10 is not less than this 10, but it is equal to 10, right? It is equal to 10. So it will give true again. The statement itself says, guys, less than equal to means it may be less than or equal to. It will give true, okay? And there is one more operator, guys. Double equal to, okay? It will compare both the sides. Is both are equal or not? It will just compare equal or not, okay? It won't compare greater than or less than. It will just compare equal or not. Both the operands are equal or not. Is 10 is equal to 20? Is my 10 equal to 20? No. So it will return false. Clear about relational operators? Any doubt in relational operators? I'll explain you one more time. See guys, this is called greater than symbol. It will compare two operands. First operand with second operand, right? If first operand is greater than second operator, it will give true. If it is not true means it will return false. Okay. It is less than symbol. It will compare first operator with second operator. Is it less than second operator? It will give true. If it is not less than means it will give false. Like this, greater than or equal to. It should be greater than or it might be equal. Either greater than or equal. It will return true. If it is not greater than or not equal means it will return false. If it is less than equal to, it might less than or equal to. It will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Double equal to means it will compare the both operands. If first operand is equal to second operand or not. If both the operands are equal, it will give true. Otherwise, it will give false. Okay. Guys, don't spam in chat box. Just watch live sessions. You guys are not watching live sessions and you are going to watch recorded sessions. That's why we deleted recorded sessions. Okay. Relation operators clear, right? To explain these topics like in programmatically, we need one more topic, guys. Let's learn about the topic. Before going to learn that topic, we will go to learn one more operators called in binary operators. We have another type of operators, guys, called logical operators. Okay, logical operators also is also kind of binary operator, guys. It is also a type of binary operator. For logical operator also, we require two operands. Okay. For EC background people, you guys all know, right? What is logical operators? You guys are clear. Truth table, right? You guys are clear with logical operators. For EC people, but just understand. This is my first operand, guys. Condition one is my first operand. This is my second operand. Okay. My condition one is think that my condition one is first operand. My condition two is second operand. Okay. In logical operators, we have three types, guys. Logical and logical or logical not. Forget about this logical not. Just concentrate on and logical or. Okay. Concentrate on logical and logical or. See, this is my first operand. Condition one is my first operand. Condition two is my second operand. Okay. This is my AND operator. Okay. Let's assume that for condition one and condition two, I am performing AND operation, logical AND. If both the conditions are first operand and second operand is true, AND operator will give you true output. Okay. Observe clearly, guys. Don't get confused. If both the conditions are true, at that time only AND operator will give you true. Okay. If either one condition is false, it will return false, guys, for AND operator. If first condition is true, second condition is false. it will return false. If first is false, second is true, it will return false. Both are false also, it will return false. Okay. And operation will return true only when both the conditions are true, guys. Observe clearly. Here I am writing 10 is less than 20 and 10 equal to 10. Tell me this output, guys. What will be this output? Wait, guys, all are saying that screen is not visible. Let me check once. My internet connection is also good, guys. Tell me this, guys. Is 10 is less than 20? True, right? It will return true. And come to this side, guys. 10 equal to 10. It is also true. So, if both the conditions are true, the whole expression will return true. If both the conditions are true, it will return true. Okay. I will take paint. Wait one minute. See. Let's assume I am taking 20 is less than 10 and 10 is less than 20. Okay. Tell me this output, guys. Tell me this output, guys. Is 20 is less than 10? False. No. 20 is greater than 10. It will return false. Is 10 is less than 20? Yes. 10 is smaller number than 20. So it will return true. But what logical and will do? If both the operands are true, at that time only it will give true. But here in this condition, one is false, another one is true. It will give false, guys. Clear about this? Yeah. See, guys. And let's learn about logical OR. Okay. Forget about this topic, logical and let's move to logical OR. Okay. Please put S in chat box if you are clear with logical and, guys. Yeah, I will provide attendance link. Don't worry. If you are clear with logical and, please put S in chat box, guys. Okay, for you guys, I will make sure that I will upload all the previous videos until this Sunday. Okay. Your videos will be available up to this Sunday. After this Sunday, that those will be deleted. Okay. Will you agree with me? Okay, guys. Let's move on to logical OR. Okay. Logical INT is completed. Let's move on to logical OR, guys. Come back, come back. Let's move on to logical OR. Logical OR will work on both the conditions, guys. Condition 1, condition 2. That means operand 1, operand true. If both are true, it will give true. Either one is true, it will give true, guys. maybe first condition is true and second condition is false. When we use log or condition, it will give true output only, guys. If first condition is true and second condition is false, it will give true. If first condition itself false and second condition is true, it will give true, guys. Because logical OR will give you either one condition is true, it will give true, guys. If both are false only, both the statements are false, it will give false, guys. See here, whenever both the statements are false, at that time only logical OR will give you false. Remaining all conditions, logical OR will give you true, guys. Okay, observe clearly. See here, 20 is less than 50 or 50 is less than 20, guys. Is my first condition true? Is my first condition true, guys? Yeah, it is true because 20 is smaller number than 50. It will give you true. Come to next condition. Is 50 is smaller than 20? Is 50 is smaller than 20? No, right? It is false. The first condition is true and second condition is false, guys. In this situation, logical OR will give you true, guys. For logical OR, at least one statement should be true. For logical OR, if there is at least one true statement, it will give you true. Okay? In place of this OR, if I write AND means, what will be the output? If I write AND means, it will check the both conditions. If both conditions are true, at the time only it will give true. But here, one is true, one is false. So, it will give you false in AND condition. But it OR condition, it will give true. Because for logical OR, at least one statement should be true. It will give you true. Okay? Follow this table, guys. Just follow this. By seeing this table only, you guys can get a clear idea. Condition 1 is true and condition 2 is true. And will give you true. Or also will give you true. If first is true, second is false. Logical and will give you false, but logical OR will give you true. Okay? If first condition is false, second condition is true. Logical and will give you false, but logical OR will give you true. Okay? Give me a minute, guys. I will upload your attendance link. After that, there is an important point in logical operators, guys. I will tell you. Okay? Give me a minute. Yeah, guys, your attendance link will be pinned in chat box within 5 minutes. Your attendance link will be provided within 5 minutes, guys. Before going to that, let me check. In logical operators, there is one important condition, guys. In logical and situation, whenever we are writing logical and, if the first condition is false, then it won't check the second condition. It means if first condition is false, it won't go and check this condition. It won't consider this condition, either it is true or not. Because if first condition is false, for logical and both conditions should be true, right? The first condition should be true and the second condition should be true. At that time only logical of and will give you true. If the first statement is true, there is no use of checking second condition, right? There is no use of checking second condition. So it will directly give you false and it won't check the second condition. If the first condition is false in logical and operation, it won't go and check second condition. It will directly return false statement, guys. Okay? As like in this, in logical or operation. For logical or, either one statement should be true, right? Just it require one statement should be true. So if first condition is true, it will directly return true. It won't check the second condition. See, if first condition is true, it won't check second condition. Okay, it will directly give you true in case of logical or. Are you clear? Guys, your attendance link in chat box. Please go and proceed for your attendance. Once your attendance completed, your videos are uploaded. Okay, please go and check your attendance. Give me a minute, I will upload your videos. Please mark your attendance, guys. Do fill your attendance. Yes, guys. Now all your videos are done. Ready. You can watch your previous recorded videos. Okay. Please don't spam in chat box, guys. It is difficult for other people. If you are really not interested, don't watch live sessions. Okay. Don't spam in chat box, guys. It will be irritable for remaining people. Those who are really interested, it may irritate remaining people. Okay. See, guys. As I said, for and condition, if the first condition is false, it won't check the second condition. It will skip the second condition and it will directly return false. In our condition, if first condition is true, it won't check second condition and it will directly return true. Keep it in mind, guys. Okay, let's move on to further topic. For this, I will explain examples also. To provide examples, I need one more topic to be completed, guys. At that time only, examples will be clear for you. Okay. Before explaining these topics, I need to explain one more, guys. That is called conditional operators, guys. Because relation operators is also condition operator, right? It will tell you the relation between two operands. It will tell you the condition. Is both are equal, is both are smaller or greater than. It will tell you like this, right? So to get that, we need conditional statement, guys. Conditional statements, okay? In these statements, relational operators, logical operators are used, guys. Okay? In conditional operators, we use relational operators and logical operators, guys. Okay? There are four types of conditional statements in Java, guys. In Python, it will be different. In C, it will be different. In Java, it will be different. In Java, we have four types of conditional statement, guys. You guys are all know what is if, what is if else, what is if else if, right? You don't know about, just switch. Don't keep this in mind. Just learn about these three topics. I will teach you what is switch, okay? I will explain clearly with some examples with switch. First switch case, okay? Today we just complete if and if else statement. From tomorrow we will go with if, else if and switch cases, okay? From tomorrow if else and switch case. Today we are going to learn about if and if else. Okay, let me explain you. If condition means here whenever we write if, there will be one open parenthesis and close parenthesis. Here we write our condition, guys. That means here we write our relational operator. Whenever the condition is true, that means whenever the relational operator will give you true, at that time if block will be executed. It means if I enter 10 is less than 20, it will give you true, right? Whenever it gives true, the if block is executed. Otherwise it won't executed, guys. If it is not true, it won't get executed. Okay, getting an idea about if condition. If condition means whenever the condition which is written here, whatever the condition written here, if it is true, the if block will be executed, okay? Whenever the condition written inside if it is true, the if block is executed. If it is false means the if block is not executed, guys. Okay? It is if condition. So what is mean by if else means? If means whenever we are writing here condition, okay? If condition is true, if this condition returns true means if block is executed. If this condition return false, when the condition return false, it will execute else part, guys. Whatever the else we have written code, it will execute else part. For this, I will show you a clearly a best example. See guys, see this example for you all guys. It will be very encourageful. Okay, see guys, my class is marriage. Is it interested? I know you guys are very interested. My class name is marriage. Here, int. I'm taking boy as directly as 25. Okay, boy age as 25 and girl age is 20. In this condition, I am checking if both are eligible or for marriage or not, guys. For checking their eligibility for marriage, I am doing if condition. Here in if condition, I am using and operation also, guys. Logical and. What is the eligibility for boys, guys, for marriage? What is the eligibility, gender eligibility for boys and girls? Which age requirement is mandatory for boys to get married? Which age is mandatory for girls to get married, guys? Please tell me. You guys know, right? What is the eligibility criteria? Yeah, I will write this program. At the time, you will get a clear explanation. I will take scanner import, guys, scanner class, because every time I will change my input values. Here, I am creating one scanner object, guys. To call non-static methods present in scanner class, I am creating one object. Okay. Here, I am asking user to enter boy age and girl age, guys. Here, I am asking to enter boy age and girl age. Okay. So, age is a which type of operator, guys? Age is a integer type, right? Age will be always number. So it is a integer. Am I right? Yeah. I'm taking variable as boy. Boy equal to s dot next int. So next int method will take integer input from the scanner class. Okay. Whatever the first entering input, I'm going to store in boy. And again, I'm asking one more, right? Yeah. In girl, I'm storing one more integer type. So to compare between two ages, I need boy age and girl age, right? I need both the values. I need boy age and girl age to certify that these are eligible for marriage. Am I correct? So I am asking user to enter boy age and girl age. Okay. Then I will compare. I am writing if condition, guys. See, if condition, if boy age is greater than or equal to 22, I am giving my boy eligibility after 22 years, guys. If my boy is 22 years old, he is eligible for marriage. Okay. If my boy is 22 years old or more, my boy is eligible for marriage, guys. Okay. And I need to check one more condition, right? Girl should be also eligible. Both are eligible only. I need to perform if condition. Otherwise, I need to perform else part. That means if both are eligible at that time only, I need to say that you are eligible for marriage. If both are not same, not eligible, I need to tell that you are not eligible for marriage. So here I am comparing boy age. Is boy is greater than or equal to 22 or not? If boy is not greater than 22, directly written false. That means it will go to else part. Okay. See, I am writing else part also here. Inside else, I will write. Observe, guys. If boy age is not greater than or equal to 22, if boy age is not greater than 22 means my eligibility criteria is 22. Minimum boy should be 22 years old. At that time only he is eligible. If it is not, he is not 22 means directly go to else part and say that not eligible. Okay. And if boy is 22, then I need to check girl also. Right. I am checking girl age also. If girl age is 18 or not. See guys. Here this is one operand. Right. This is one operand. This is another operand. If both the operands are true, at that time only logical and will give you true. Boy eligible for marriage and girl is eligible for marriage. Both are eligible means they are eligible. If either boy or girl, anyone is not eligible means if either boy or girl is not eligible means it will directly go and execute this line. Okay. No. I need to print one statement, right? Both are eligible. Okay. Am I correct, guys? Here in this if condition I am checking my eligibility age is 22. If boy is greater than or equal to 22, yeah, he is eligible for marriage. Okay. And go and check girl age also. If girl age is also greater than or equal to 18, both are eligible for marriage. At that time, proceed to the statement execute if condition. If either one is false, boy is not eligible or girl is not eligible, directly go and execute not eligible statement. Okay, clear? I will execute this program. Wait guys, I think I written an error. I forgot to close my class, right? If I clearly see means I am missing my class. Let me save it. I will compile once again. Here also I have print some mistakes. Right? System, right? System.in. Check it guys. Is my program compiled successfully? Java C, marriage.java. It is completed, right? Now I'll execute my program. See, it is asking enter boy age and girl age, right? See guys, it is asking me to write enter boy age and girl age. I will enter boy age as 25. And now it is again waiting. So I need to enter my girl age. I will enter my girl age as 20. Eligible for marriage, guys. Because see here, I'm comparing boy age should be 22, minimum 22, at least 22. He is eligible. For girl, at least 18. So my entered value is boy is 25, girl is 20. Both are eligible according to my condition, right? According to my condition, both are eligible for marriage. So it is executing eligible for marriage. If I execute one more time, again it is asking enter boy age and girl age. Okay, I will enter boy age as 18 and girl age as 16. See guys, observe clearly. In first time execution, I am giving boy age as 25 and girl age as 20. So they are eligible for marriage if condition is executed. In second time, I am entering 18 as boy age, girl age as 16. See guys, it is printing not eligible. Clear? If condition, if else statement, what is relational operators, what is logical operator. Clear? In place of and, if I write or, what will happen, guys? Either boy should be eligible or girl should be eligible. If boy eligible, it will directly give those are eligible, right? But for marriage, both girl age and boy age should be matched, right? Without matching, we can't do marriage, right? For children, we can't do marriage. So to confirm, for boys is minimum 22, for girls is minimum 18. It's my condition. Clear about if condition, if else, what is logical operators, what is relational operators. Clear, right? If it is clear, please put in chat box. Yes, in chat box. Let me know. I will give some assignments for you. If you are okay with assignments, I will give you. Please put a yes in chat box. Yes, if you are really okay. No doubts, right? If there is no doubt means put no. Yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you. Let me give you some examples, basic examples. Okay. Yeah. Otherwise, I will do this program myself only. Tell me values, guys. You guys know, right? Tell me output of this program, guys. Now only, now itself, tell me output of this program. Track this program, try to execute this program and tell me output, guys. Yeah, I will only explain this program, don't worry. Observe this, guys. Please follow this program. After this program, I will give one beautiful example for assignment. Okay, you will really like that example. Just tell me what my A contains it first, guys. Firstly, my A value is 5 and my B value is 6, right? A contains 5 and B contains 6. Am I correct? Okay. Come to the statement, guys. Here I am writing A plus plus means use then increment 5. After that 5 is became 6. But I am here using 5 only. Comparing relational operator. 5 is greater than or equal to. 5 is not greater than 5. But it is equal to 5, right? It will give you true. And again, there is one more operation, logical OR. And here I am performing plus plus B, guys. Plus plus B means pre-increment. Actually, B contains 6. Pre-increment means 6 will become 7. 7 is compared with greater than or equal to 5. It is true, right? Both the conditions are true. Logical OR will return true. And my A contains here 6 and B contains 7. Am I right? Your answer is 6 and 7. How many are with 6 and 7? Please, how many are with 6 and 7? Guys, I request you, please don't spam pin chat box. Yeah, here you guys are mistaken, guys. It is not 6 and 7. As I explained you clearly, please keep it in mind. I tell you, while writing a logical OR operator, if first condition is true, it won't go and check second condition, right? If first condition is true, in case of logical operators, it won't go to second condition. It won't execute second condition. It will directly return true. Am I correct? So it will perform only this part operation, guys. My A contains 5. My A contains 5. A plus plus. Comparing. A is less than or equal to 5. Sorry, greater than or equal to 5. 5 is equal to 5, right? It is written true. That means logical OR operator will give you directly true. Final statement is true. But here I am performing A plus plus. So A is incremented with 6. In next line, my output is 6 and this is not executed, guys, because I am using logical OR operator. For logical operator, if first condition is true, it won't go and check second condition. It will give you 6 only because B contains 6. It won't go and execute this program. I will execute for you guys. Don't worry. Okay. My class name is D, guys. Okay. Int A equal to 5. Int B equal to 6. Here I am writing A plus plus greater than equal to 5. Logical OR plus plus B greater than equal to 5. Am I right? Here I am using logical OR. That means if first condition is true, it won't go and check second condition, guys. If first condition is false, at that time only logical OR operation will move to second condition and it will check. Otherwise, it won't check, guys. Yeah, I saved, guys. Okay, done. Now I will execute my program. Execution command prompt C Java C D dot Java. Compilation done successfully. I will execute my program. See, guys, what is the output I am getting? First I am getting true because the first condition is true and I am using logical OR operator. So it is giving me true and A is giving 6. B also giving 6. Why means here I am performing A plus plus, guys. A plus plus comparing greater than or equal to 5. My A contains 5. At first use A value because it is post increment. So A value is used. 5 is compared with this. It is equal to 5. So it is given true. And I am performing logical OR operator. When logical OR operator finds first condition is true, it will directly return true. It won't check second condition. It won't check second condition. And here, after using, I'm incrementing my value. See here. You see clearly means after using, I'm incrementing my value. So my 5 became 6. After this, my in A contains 6. Here, this part is not executed, right? So B value is not changed. It is also storing same 6 itself. Okay, are you clear? Any doubt in this? No doubts, right? If you have any doubts, please put. Yeah. For logical OR operator, whenever we are writing logical operator, if first condition is true, it won't check second condition. It won't check here. Whenever first condition is false, at that time only this condition is executed. This condition is executed, okay? This condition is executed. If first condition is true, it won't go and check second condition. It will skip this step. It will directly return true, okay? In our program, I am using logical operator A plus plus greater than or equal to 5. This is post increment. So I need to use value first and then increment it. I just incremented it to 6. Now I'm comparing with equal to 5. So A equal to 5 equal to 5 means it is true. In second condition part, I am writing plus plus B. My B contains 6 greater than or equal to 5. As I said, in logical OR operator, if first condition is true, means my first condition is itself true. So it won't check second condition because for logical operator, OR operator, Either one should be true. It will give true, right? In two conditions. If it is true, it will directly return true. If it is false also, it won't check. I explained clearly, guys. In logical OR operation, if the first condition is true, then it won't check the other condition. It will directly return true. Clear now? Same. Try for logical AND, guys. Same program. Try for AND. Tell me the output. Here I am writing logical AND operation. Tell me, guys, what will be the output? I will explain you here in this diagram. Same program. A is plus plus greater than equal to 5. Logical AND plus plus B greater than or equal to 5. Check this, guys. A contains 5. B contains 6. Right? Here I am checking post increment. So use A value. Okay, use it. Then increment A value. A becomes 6. Now check the relation. Yes, it is equal to 5. So it returned true. Yeah. Now my first condition is true. In logical AND operation, both the conditions should be true. At that time only it will give you true. Otherwise it will give you false. Check here. Plus plus B. That means post increment. Here, sorry, pre-increment. Plus plus B is called pre-increment, right? 6 become 7. Use 7. Compare with 5. Yeah. 7 is greater than 5. So it is also written true. Both the conditions are true. So logical AND operator will give you true. Now my B contains 7. A contains 6. Okay. Here. But I am not writing equal to here. But I explained for equal to program. If I remove this equal means this condition is false. In logical AND operation, if first condition is false, second condition is not executed, right? For AND operation, if first condition is false, it won't execute second condition. Am I correct? For logical AND operation, first condition is false, it won't go and check second condition. It will directly return false. See here, I have explained clearly. In logical AND operation, the first condition is false, then it won't check the second condition. It will directly return false. Okay? Here, 5 is not greater than 5, so it is directly written false. A is 6, B is same 6. If there is equal to means B will become 7. Okay? Please try this program, guys. How many notes of money to be dispensed? Okay. Currency calculator. Whenever I go to ATM, if I enter 2000 amount means how many 500 notes will come, how many 100 notes will come, like that it should say. Okay. If I enter 3500, the ATM will give you 2000 note 1, 3, 500 notes, right? But that program, write one logic. Try to write one logic. If it is not possible, don't worry, I will explain in tomorrow's class. Okay? But try to write this program, guys. You will get to know very easily when I teach. Okay? If I suppose when I am going to withdraw a money, I am entering some amount to withdraw. If I enter 2000 means it should give you one 2000 note. If I enter 2100 means it will give you one 2000 note, 100 rupees note. Am I correct? If my input is 2400, the ATM will give you 2000 note 1, one 2000 note, 100 notes 4. Am I correct? If I enter 2500 means one 2000 note, 500, 1, 0, 100. Like this, you need to build a logic, guys. Try to build this logic. I will explain you how to write in tomorrow's class. From tomorrow onwards, your class will start by 8 o'clock itself. How many people they may come, I won't care. I will start class by 8 itself. Okay? Bye bye, guys. Good night.